Hello, people of the internet. This is Adam from Paid Members App, the Stripe no-code plugin, and this video is on advanced Stripe pricing tables on your Webflow website. So we're messing around with this new feature. If you like this, please subscribe and make a reply that you want to see more, and we can dive right into the back end and show you how this is all working. Okay, so I found this pricing table just on like CodePen and embedded it in here. I like this one because there's this cool hover effect. And let's say I have 3 paid plans and then this free plan. And we give you a sign up form link, which you can have a free sign up. And what's cool about this is we'll actually create a customer in your Stripe account when they sign up. And you can also link a button. So you can have a start free plan. This is cool. It's a little hard to do with Stripe, usually because they're a payment processor. They have a 50-cent minimum. It's hard to create a customer, but we knock that out for you. So let's call this David Smith. Okay, and David's email is david at let's say me.com. Keep it easy, and we create a password using one password and sign up. Okay, and again, what we do is we fire off an email that you can customize, and now there is a form here. So David, who is on a free trial, can log in and they can use Customer Portal. So now if they click Manage Subscription, we open up Customer Portal. You just set this up in your Stripe account and you can totally customize this. It's pretty blank now. Now he didn't pay, so there's no payment method on file and no invoice history, but let's say he's back on your site. So what you want to do is not create another customer when he makes a payment. So because you can't make a payment via Customer Portal, if you're not already on some kind of subscription, you can upgrade or downgrade when you're on a subscription, but you can't set up a payment. But we do want to associate it with this existing customer for David. So actually, I'll go into my Stripe account and look at customers, and you can see David Smith is right here on top in test mode, but there's no payments or anything. But we can see the customer ID, and then when we process a payment, that customer ID won't change. So let's go and let's have David sign up by clicking this button, and this opens Stripe checkout. And so here's my starter plan, and you can see that the email's like locked in. David Smith, and let's have him in Hollywood, California, and then you see subscribe right there. Okay, so now David Smith subscribing, and what we're gonna do is, what Stripe is gonna do is associate that with the existing customer, so you don't create duplicate customer records. And again, an email's fired up, and that email's customizable. Okay, so now we're back on the site, and you can see that we have smart checkout buttons here. So on the bottom, you can see it doesn't say sign up anymore. It says current plan and switch plan. So I'll show you that in a second. And now if this customer, David, went to Customer Portal, now they can upgrade or downgrade within Customer Portal. You don't want them using the payment buttons on your site. You want them using Customer Portal to upgrade or downgrade. And that's really easy within Customer Portal. And so what we do is when the page loads, it'll know what plan the customer's on because they're really smart buttons. And it'll say current plan. And you don't want them to pay again for the thing they just paid for, so we dim that out. And then they can switch plan. And these switch plan buttons also open Customer Portal. So let's say I want to switch to the growth plan. That just opens up Customer Portal. And so I can say update plan, and I'm going to be on the growth plan now. And so within Customer Portal, if I confirm that upgrade to the growth plan, there we go. I'm on the growth plan now. And if I go back to the site, and the page will load, and it'll be smart, and the buttons are super smart, and they'll know that now I'm on the on this plan. Okay, that's the basics of a Stripe integrated pricing table on your Webflow website. Again, if you really like this, subscribe to us and send us a reply and ask me questions. And if a lot of people like it, I'll do a whole video with the back end of Webflow and show how you create a Stripe pricing plan on your own Webflow website like this.